here's an example of a part with a lot of features. And as we look at this part, which is for a piece of medical equipment, you can see how many features are on here, and each of these has to be accurately located for the part to successfully function. You can see some machine surfaces on here where they wanted the part to be a particularly close tolerance, and by doing the machining on that, they're able to create that feature. So it's really important that designers understand the capabilities of the permanent mold process, and when they get beyond these tolerances, that's where they have to start thinking, well, I have to machine and take some stock off to achieve my tolerances. But if they're working within these tolerance ranges, then they're good to go with the casting, the cast surfaces. Now I will add that at the bottom of this chart, there's a little bit of additional tolerance if there's a core involved.
Got it. Okay.
Now a core would create a hollow spot inside the casting, and those cores are tied to either the top, either the cope or the drag, the top or the bottom of the mold.